Okay, alright, so let me show you how to make a simple platformer game in Unreal Engine 5. This is going to be extremely simple. Let me select here the side scroller variant or something. Alright, so here is the platformer example. Let me switch the variant to this level, to the side scroller level, which sort of looks like this. Pretty easy to edit actually. Like these are just literally just blocks. You press Control D and duplicate stuff, and um, you could import your own assets and stuff like that. Alright, so let me run this and show you how this works. Pretty simple. Has a double jump. You can disable that if you wanted to. You can also bounce off the walls. Come on, get up there. Get up there! Okay. So everything you need is here, so you don't need to worry about reinventing the wheel. It's coins and stuff like that. There's enemies you can create collisions for, platforms, blah blah blah. Literally everything you need. All right. So let me add some sound effects. Yesterday I posted a video about adding sound effects. So to add sound effects is extremely simple. You simply I'm actually gonna make a folder first. Let me make a folder. How could you make a folder in this? New folder. Sounds. You don't need a folder. That's just to keep it organized. Sound effects. I got a sound effects here of picking up a coin, and I got some more here, like jumping effects and stuff like that. Let me see. Where is that to? Platformer sounds. That's not too hard there. Maybe we can use this one. And we need one for like bouncing off the walls. Okay, that's overkill. There you go. That sort of works. Okay, so with that being said, let me go back to this level here. Oh wait, we already in this level. Alright, so let's go to blueprints, and we can go to the side scrolling blueprint, and we can find a part for jumping. Alright, so this is the jump here. Let me just find jump here. Jump input. Okay, right here we can play a sound. Play a sound effect. Select the sound. Let me see, which one was it? That one sounds pretty good. Try this. Okay, what's happening there is that it's happening a bunch of times, so we sort of probably let me cut this. Cut it, and we're gonna place it right at the end. Okay, maybe here. Paste it. And try it again. But it only does it once. For the second jump, let me go find the double jump. Where's the double jump here? Double jump logic. Okay, we can probably just paste that right at the end here. Connect that to these. Super simple. I think this is one of the easiest game game engines up there. There. Now let's do one for the bouncing on the wall. Where's the bouncing, the wall bouncing? Double jump, wall jump. Okay, logic. Alright, so we can insert that here practically anywhere. Yeah, let's try it here. Let me disconnect that there. This one and this one here. Change the sound effect first. Okay. We need to bounce off a wall. It did not work. Okay. Which was roughly around here. Let me paste that there. Right here. We just had the wrong sound effect. There we go. Perfect. Now the last thing we're gonna do is picking up the coins. Now you could add a sound effect for that green thingy there. Okay, so we need a sound effect for the coins as well. Okay, so let's go to the coins. I believe that's here. I think it's right at the end here. Let me paste that as well again. And this time it's going to be pick up the coin. Okay, close that. Grab one of these, duplicate it, and we're gonna bring it to the beginning. Duplicate this a few times. Now you could replace that sphere with whatever you wanted. You could import a your own model. And let's try this. The wrong sound effect. It's supposed to be the coin. Coin, coin, coin. Alright, let's try this out. Now there's a little delay, it only plays it once, so let's fix that. Cut this. Maybe in here. Paste that there. There we go. Pretty simple stuff actually, if you think about it. There you go. Okay, so that's it. Super simple stuff. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.